Okay guys, we're currently here at South Texas Votech in the city of Brownsville, a name that's trusted in the Rio Grande Valley. And I'm joined here with the director for HVAC and one of their lead instructors. We're currently in the classroom setting, and you see right behind me students are working on some equipment. Amazing stuff, guys. And this is something that anybody can learn in 10 months. Tell me a little bit about what you offer here.
Okay, here in the program we offer obviously all the tools and the knowledge that we need in the field. And also we offer, and in 10 months, we offer the proper credentials to start working on the field as a AC technician. So it's pretty awesome.
Now you were telling me a little bit, what are the certifications?
One of those ones is the EPA, environmental credentials, and also we have the ECCR ones. I mean, it's the proper credential that you need to start on the field, and then after 3 years of experience and hands-ons, you can start gaining your your contractor license.
Now that's important to work in this industry. You were telling me a little bit about that first credential. Tell me a little bit about the license.
The Environmental Protection Agency by the U.S. government requires technicians to buy and carry refrigerants at any distributor.
And that's important.
Yes, it is.
Very, very important. Now, I want to know a little bit about the hands-on experience that the students get here in the classroom, because we see it right behind us, but what does that hands-on experience look like in 10 months?
Basically, we teach the students to start learning how to work with the proper applications, because basically in the field we have 3 applications. We have low temperature, medium temperature, and high temperatures. So here in the program, they will start learning those phases step by step. For example, in this moment, these students, they're learning how to install the proper units on the residential application. And also, if you see in this room, we have some units that's like a light commercial and commercial application. And this room also, we have also the walk-in coolers that is part of the refrigeration systems and applications.
Now tell me, is this something that is in demand here in the community?
Definitely, because if for some reason, you choose this program, obviously you have a lot of things to do in the field, and also a lot of contractors they are requesting for those kind of technicians in this moment. It's in high demand, this field.
Fantastic. And if some of our viewers wanted to sign up for this program, how could they do that?
Of course, just don't wait. Just come over and try to contact us.
Fantastic. And guys, ACs are very important here in the Rio Grande Valley. We all know that, and mine's gone out a couple of times. This class is very knowledgeable. So if you guys want to change your lives in 10 months, you can do that here at STVT in the city of Brownsville. For Take 5, I'm Joe DeLeon.